Haloalkenes, haloarenes. Haloalkanes are the alkyl halides in which the carbon atom of the alkyl group is bonded to the halogen atom. Here X represents the halogen atom और ये जो carbon atom है this is sp3 hybridized. Haloarenes क्या होते हैं? Haloarenes होते हैं where halogen atom is bonded to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of the benzene ring. ये जो कार्बन एटम है जिसके साथ हैलोजन बॉन्डेड है, दिस कार्बन एटम इज sp2 hybridized. Now haloalkanes may be classified as mono, di or polyhalogen compounds depending on whether they contain one, two or more halogen atoms in their structure. For example, C2H5X. In this compound there is only one halogen atom, so this is monohaloalkane. Then CH2X, CH2X. Here there are two halogen atoms, so dihaloalkane. Then CH2X, CHX and CH2X, CH2X, so this is trihaloalkane. Then haloarenes, only one halogen atom to the benzene ring, bonded to the benzene ring, so monohaloarene. Two halogen atoms bonded to benzene ring, dihaloarene. Three halogen atoms bonded to benzene ring, trihaloarene. Monohalo compounds may further be classified according to the hybridization of the carbon atom to which the halogen is bonded. So another classification is according to the hybridization of the carbon atom. Compounds containing sp3 carbon bonded to the halogen atom. The halogen atom may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. First one is alkyl halides or haloalkanes. Now here the carbon of the alkyl group is bonded to the halogen atom and they form the homologous series which is represented by the general formula CnH2n plus 1x. These are further classified as primary, secondary or tertiary according to the nature of the carbon to which halogen atom is attached. For example, this compound is primary haloalkane. Why? Because here the halogen atom is bonded to the primary carbon atom. What is primary carbon atom? Primary carbon atom is bonded to one other carbon atom. Here the halogen atom is bonded to secondary carbon atom. So this is secondary alkyl halide. What is secondary carbon atom? Secondary carbon atom is the carbon when carbon bonded to the halogen atom is bonded to two other carbons. Then it is the secondary carbon atom. Then comes the tertiary alkyl halide. Here the carbon atom is tertiary carbon because this carbon is bonded to three other carbon atoms. So here the alkyl halides have been classified as primary, secondary and tertiary. Next is allylic halide. First of all, what is allylic carbon? Allylic carbon is, suppose CH2 double bond CH, CH2 double bond CH, CH, H and here halogen atom. Consider the carbon, this carbon which is bonded to the halogen atom. Now this carbon is sp3 hybridized and this carbon adjacent to this sp3 hybridized carbon which is bonded to the halogen atom is a carbon-carbon double bond. Now this carbon, this sp3 hybridized carbon which is bonded to the halogen is also known as allylic carbon. Allylic carbon. Another example of allylic carbon is this compound. Here also this is the carbon-carbon double bond. Adjacent to this carbon-carbon double bond is the carbon which is sp3 hybridized and it is bonded to the halogen atom. This carbon is known as the allylic carbon. And these type of halides are known as allylic halides. Next is benzylic halides. Here halogen atom is bonded to an sp3 hybridized carbon which is attached to an aromatic ring. See, this is the carbon which is bonded to the halogen atom. And this carbon is bonded to the carbon of the aromatic ring or the benzene ring and the carbon bonded to the halogen atom is sp3 hybridized. This is primary halide. Then if both R dash and R dash dash are CH3 groups or alkyl groups, then it will become tertiary halide. And if R dash is CH3 and R dash dash is hydrogen, then it becomes a secondary halide. Next is compounds containing bond between sp2 hybridized carbon and halogen. In this category there is vinylic halides. These are the compounds in which the halogen atom is bonded to a sp2 hybridized carbon atom of a carbon-carbon double bond. See, this is carbon-carbon double bond and this carbon is sp2 hybridized, and if the halogen is bonded to this carbon atom, this is known as vinylic halide. This carbon is known as vinylic carbon. Other valencies may be satisfied by hydrogen. In this compound also, this is carbon-carbon double bond and halogen is bonded to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of the carbon-carbon double bond. Next is aryl halides. These are the compounds in which halogen atom is directly bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of an aromatic ring. Here halogen atom is bonded to this carbon. This carbon is sp2 hybridized carbon of the aromatic ring. So these are known as aryl halides.